It is always better late than never. This is Up in Canada. I'm Dominic Raphael, and I do have some breaking news up in Canada. Just recently on YouTube, they'd released a 1-hour video on GM's first fully tooled and retooled GM EV plant in Ontario. In Kami, Ontario, if I am correct in my locations. So, yes, it's better late than never. That's a given. This is a EMO, or called EMO 600 cargo van. And one of the marketing individuals who is with GM globally, his name is Mark Royce. So, currently, it is being announced that Trudeau and Doug Ford will be setting a few words to the GM plant in Ontario that has now been fully tooled to GM EVs. Now, again, like I said, better late than never, but what I would like to see is a Tesla Gigafactory built in Canada. And if that is happening on the horizon, then I am floored. I am pumped, because you don't get better than up in Canada. And the more EV manufacturing companies we have, the quicker and sooner we get to zero emissions for the entire planet. And another announcement a few days ago, Tesla's price for their EVs is coming down again. There's been another reduction. So for Up in Canada, this is changes are coming, and this is also Up in Canada. So I'm Dominic Raphael. Cheers. It's always better late than never.